Hello students, today in this video I will be teaching about read and read number function. Okay, already I have discussed about the write line and write function. Today I will be discussing about these two functions. Now you can say it as function or you can say it as statements, no problem. Okay, now students, as we know, one is output, है ना? Output means to display, okay, or to print, correct? Now what is input? Input means taking the raw data from whom? From user. Okay, input means what? Taking raw data from user. Okay, now for output, in order to display, we already know we have two functions. One is write line, another one is write function. Similarly, in order to take input from the user and to store it in a variable, we already know the concept of variable. So in order to take the raw data from the user and to store in a variable, we have two functions. One is read, another one is read number. So what is the difference? It will take the string input. कोई भी string वाला data है, for example name, address, let's say your class, let's say your father's name, okay, your parents name, whatever, like string जिसमें characters हो, so वो लेगा तुम्हारा read. Okay, now ये read number will take what? Numeric input. For example your roll number, your marks, है ना, so your age. So इस तरीके के जब तुमको inputs लेने होंगे user से, numeric input, so we will use read number. So both of them belongs to a class. We already know that what that class is, text window. Okay, so whenever we will write read or read number function, we are bound to give what? The class, that is text window and dot operator. Okay, text window and dot operator. So this is the way we should write. Now when it takes the input from the user, where does it store? In the variable. So हम लोग को लिखना कैसे है? For example, I want to store a name of a student. So how to write that? Name equal to, let's write the syntax, text window dot. Since this is a name, यानी के input क्या है? String input और character input. Sorry, string input or numeric input. If you have said string input, you are absolutely correct. So what kind of function we will use? Just read function. Okay, so automatically क्या होगा ना, कंसोल में, suppose this is that black screen. Okay, कंसोल को black screen बोलते हैं, where you see the output. Suppose output screen में देखना, यहाँ पे वो automatically blink कर रहा होगा, means it's asking for the user to input. Suppose मैं अभी कीबोर्ड से input की, let's say लिपि, मैंने input दिया as a user, ठीक है, तो ये function क्या करेगा? It took that data लिपि, okay, and it stored it in where? Name. So RAM में क्या होगा? कोई भी random place ले लो, ठीक है, let's say this is the random place. इस जगह का नाम क्या हो गया? Variable name, है ना, और data उसमें क्या store हो गया? लिपि. Okay, so it's a string data. In this way it will store. Okay students, So in the next video I will be showing the practical part on this. Thank you everyone.